How to make your fruit-infused detox water using your Gulp Infuser bottle. You'll need Gulp Fruit Infuser bottle, water, watermelon. How to prepare. Place the watermelon in the infuser rod. Insert the infuser rod filled with watermelon into your Gulp Fruit Infuser water bottle. Pour water into the water bottle. Allow the water bottle to chill and infuse in the refrigerator for 2 to 4 hours before serving. Drink throughout the day and discard after 24 hours. Enjoy naturally flavored watermelon fruit infused detox drink and stay healthy. To know how much water to drink every day as per your body weight, visit gulp.co.in. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube for more fun facts and more recipes.